so warm here in New York. It's in the 80s, and I thought it would be a great time to do a bit of a collective Dôen haul. Collected a few really great pieces over the last couple months. They had a really big sale recently for Mother's Day, so I got a bunch of pieces on sale, and I just thought that I would do a try-on haul. The first piece, and I'm actually wearing these today, that I absolutely love are the Page shorts. The Page shorts are like this super voluminous bloomer type short, very high-waisted. It comes above my belly button, so I've only really been wearing it with a bit of a cropped tee. I have to figure out what other tops that I want to style with these. They're super comfortable, and I was looking for a pair of shorts that felt a little bit more chic and built up than the traditional denim short or boxer short style that I normally wear. I found them to be fairly true to size. They were a little tight in my typical size at first try on, but they do stretch out just slightly. They are cotton, so they'll give a little bit within the waist. Not a ton, but a little bit. And the next piece I picked out is called the Almadia dress, and I have been looking for a dress like this for so long. It is super beautiful. Here it is. Kind of looks a bit like a sack dress, but it's made of Rami, so it's really breathable and light and comfortable. It's like slightly sheer, but in, I think it's kind of chic, like a chic way, very breezy. The thinking behind this dress is that it is just super easy to throw on. It gets so hot in the summer in the city, and I typically do not want to wear much. And so this is a really easy piece that I can just throw on and go and feel put together, but also it's lightweight and breathable, and I'll be really comfortable. I also absolutely love all of the detailing along the shoulder and the top here. It's a really beautiful, easy piece. Next up is the Katharina dress, and I love this dress because it is incredibly versatile. It is a midi length dress. It is cotton, but all of the shearing details and the puff sleeves make it look a little bit more elevated than your everyday basic cotton summer dress. I'm attending quite a few weddings this year. Some of them are a bit outdoorsy, and so I thought this would be a really good dress to wear as a wedding guest because the details make it look a little bit more elevated, but I know that I'll be comfortable whether it's super hot outside or, you know, I have to walk on grass, I have to be in the trees, woodsy, I don't know, etc. I just think it'll be something that I can wear over and over again, and it's also basic enough that I can wear this in my everyday life. I know I can wear this going out to dinner. I can wear this honestly going to the park. There's a lot of ways I can wear it. Here's some of that really nice detailing up close. It's sheared all throughout the bodice and through the first half of the lower part of the garment. And then I particularly just really love the gathering and the bit of a puff at the sleeve. Super pretty, and I know that I'll just have this one for years and years because I can wear it so many different ways. It being black, I know I won't get tired of it either. This next one is my absolute favorite, and I'm actually a little surprised because I have not seen a lot of love for this one on socials. I think it's gorgeous. I don't know why it hasn't taken off yet. This is the Talia dress. It is a silk viscose blend, which I actually don't mind in this scenario. I think the fabric drapes really nicely, and it feels a little less delicate than if the whole thing was silk, if that makes sense. So I'm actually okay with the blend in this scenario. Typically I really just like natural fiber items, but this one works. So we have a bit of a mini length, and I really love the back. There is a snap button back here, so you can close it more. I kind of like it open. Here's some of the detailing up close. I love this print. I love the flutter sleeves. I love the gathering here. There's a little bow in the front. I'm excited to wear this dress all summer long. I'm gonna wear it for my birthday, I believe. I am a Gemini, so my birthday is coming up. This is the perfect June birthday girl dress, in my opinion. The final piece that I have is a top, and it's really versatile because it's something that I am gonna wear daily, but it's also something that I can wear to the office in more of a professional setting. Kind of got a funny name. I feel like I can't pronounce this very well, but this is the Kalila top, and it is 100% silk. It is black. I actually have this top in the long sleeve version from this last winter, and I wore it a ton to go out to dinner, work, other events. It was just really, really nice, and so I knew that I needed the short sleeve one for summer, so I bought this one in the Mother's Day sale. I like the way that it looks styled with the Page shorts. Here are some of the details up close. Please ignore the wrinkles. I am not steaming this today, but I will before the next time I wear it. I love this super ruffly feminine collar. I love the sleeves Once again, Dôen just always wins with those extra feminine detail touches. This is 100% silk, which I love. When they do 100% silk pieces, they're often a really nice weight, something that you can't really find a lot of places these days. So I found this to be worth the sale price anyway. That is all I have for my collective spring summer Dôen haul. Hopefully I'm not too tempted by any new pieces that they release in the next coming months. I feel like I've kind of gone a little overboard. I did sell some old pieces that I was no longer wearing to make up some of the difference of adding these to my wardrobe, so it all evens out. Is it time to go on a walk? Is it time to go on a walk? Oh my goodness. Thank you. Come. Hi, pretty girl. Good morning.
Only there for one of them.
Happy Saturday. I had a very nice morning. We went on a walk in the park and then we stopped at Modern Bread and Bagel for breakfast. They have a new location on the Upper East Side, which is super exciting. If you have not tried it and you have to eat gluten-free like I do, it is one of my favorite places in New York. They have pastries, bagels, sandwiches, etc. I think they do pizzas in the evening. I've never tried a pizza, but very good. Perfect like little grab and go breakfast place in the morning, which is super rare for us gluten-free people. I have a package that I haven't opened yet and I am going to now. I've actually never received any clothing accessory PR before, but Dolce Vita sent me some shoes, which is really exciting. It's like my first PR package, and I wanted to share what I picked out from their spring summer collection to try. Here is the box. We're gonna open her. So the first thing I picked out is this really cute, simple pair of Mary Jane flats. I don't have any black flats, and I thought this would be a great pair to try. They are leather, so I'm super happy about that. Here they are. They actually look very cute with these pants that I have on today, and they're super comfortable. The leather is very soft. And then I also picked out these little heels, and I really like the heel height on these. They're really comfortable and they seem pretty easy to walk in. I would say they feel slightly big. I probably could have gone down about half a size, but I don't think it's gonna be too big of a deal. These will be really cute with lots of my spring and summer dresses. So thanks to Dolce Vita, that's really, really nice of them. And I just feel so special to have received some fashion PR. Trying to plan the rest of my day. I really want to go to the Met at some point this weekend to see the new fashion exhibit. I always love the fashion exhibit that they put up after the gala every year, so I'm looking forward to going and seeing that. I think I'm gonna need some ice cream too at some point this weekend. This is what I'm wearing today. I'm wearing this little set from Dôen. This is a very Dôen heavy video. I bought this last summer, I believe. And then these little sandals are from Madewell. Then I'm bringing along my favorite basket bag. I bought this from Anthropologie years and years ago. It is one of my favorites. I wear it more than some of my designer bags even, and I think it was only like $30, so good find. So we're doing turkey sandwiches. So I got turkey, got my favorite sourdough from Char, and then of course you can't have a sandwich without chips. Grapes, tomato, mozzarella, arugula for the sandwiches. We're gonna make some homemade lemonade. So we have 4 lemons. We also got a German style potato salad, just a little bit to have on the side. And then I've never tried these before and I'm really excited. I love Olipop, but I've never tried the Barbie flavor, which is peaches and cream. So I was really psyched to see that. So I'm gonna start prepping our picnic.